This video is from the 28th of February 2020, which would have been one day before the last day of my challenge. And I tried to go to sleep really early the night before so that I would get enough rest. But in the process, I ended up waking up too early. I woke up around 3 in the morning. I stayed in bed and got out of the house by 6 o'clock, but it was way too early. It was freezing cold outside, and if you know me, I cannot handle being cold at all. And so I went to McDonald's, out of all places, to get coffee, and also I got an apple pie. My cravings were so bad, so I wanted sweets. I really wanted sweets. And so I got coffee, the apple pie, and continued to go to the gym to do my workout. But also after my workout, I ended up going to Krispy Kreme and getting half a dozen of donuts. Don't ask me what I did with them, but I did, and it was nice. Um, I had worked so hard to get to this point that I thought, you know what? It's okay for me to treat myself because I had been so good for 7 months that I was at the last stretch at the end. It probably didn't help me as far as my aesthetics and my definitions or that layer, that stubborn layer of fat that I had. It probably didn't help me, but I am very, very happy with where I got. Last time I posted, I was on day 6 counting down, and from then on, the time just went by really fast. So, in between, I ended up doing my nails, taking care of my hair, and anything else that I needed to touch up in order to be ready for the final day. Seriously, I'll be so happy if one day I have a wedding and I work as hard as I did to try and prepare for this day, because I really tried very, very hard and I wanted to look good and feel good. And again, as I've said in my previous video, it's not so much the physical achievement that matters for me. It's what I achieved internally, because my back is so much stronger. I feel so much better. Anyway, I had felt so bad from the time I last posted about 10 or 11 months ago, because I feel like I quit, you know? I didn't make it to the end of my challenge the first time around when I tried, and that really made me feel bad. And so I didn't want to post until I was able to follow through and deliver and show something. So this time around, I really worked hard, and although I didn't get exactly to where I want to be, I feel like I truly tried, and so I'm happy with that. And as far as this little workout here, I ended up joining a morning class, which was a lot of fun. It's a 30-minute group class. I joined because I was doing low carbs and my cravings were high. I didn't want to work out so intensely, And so I just went in there, tried to do a few of the things that they were doing, and it was a lot of fun. The funny thing is that at the end, when I was walking out of the building, the lady at the front desk asked me, "How come everyone's walking out sweating and you're the only one that's sweating?" And so I told her, "You caught me because I didn't do much today." So it was really funny. We both laughed, but yeah, my cravings really got to me. That's all I can say about day one of, I would call it peak week, even though I didn't do an actual show. It was peak week, and um, I just hope that should I continue to work out and want to transform again, that I'll be able to manage my meal plan better to prevent myself from getting terrible cravings. That's one thing that I was not completely prepared for, and so I don't even want to talk about what I ate in the last 2 days. So from the 27th to the 28th, I don't want to talk about what I ate. But again, I wanted to treat myself because I had worked so hard. I truly feel really good about what I did because, again, my back is so much stronger. I'm not in pain, or I should say, I'm not in as much pain as I was before. So that's really good. And the thing is that when I show the doctors or people my x-ray, they say your scoliosis is pretty mild, it's not that bad. And the thing about that is that it doesn't take away the fact that I experience discomfort from it. So it's not really about how severe it is. Yes, there are people with severe scoliosis that don't experience pain. So, but for me, I do experience discomfort with it. I just choose to keep going to the gym because the benefits outweigh the negatives of how I feel from going to the gym. I am going to try to take a little bit of time off or go slowly because I experience chronic throat pain. I have done tests and I'm not exactly sure what it's from. I believe it's because of my levoscoliosis in my upper back because it's fairly close to where my cervical spine is, which is close to my neck area, and I am pretty certain that that's what's causing it because all the tests that I did came back okay. So I think it's important that I take rest and go easy. Some people won't understand my decision, but so far, truly, the only being, thing that understood what I went through when I had my pinched nerve was my dog. And so I am okay with pushing forward on my own, and too bad for the people that don't understand my decisions because for right now, I need to take a break, take it easy, and just be happy and be grateful for all that I accomplished in those past 7 months. I was very disappointed that I couldn't participate in the gym challenge because it robbed me of the ability to participate in a community event and being able to interact with other people. But at the same time, I don't think I missed much from being around those people because at that gym, majority of my experiences were very negative as far as the management and also the members that go there. So I debated whether to even do the 10 and get myself ready for the final day, but I was able to get myself together. And also because I was collaborating with someone else, I ended up dressing up and showing up. I ended up staying at home the whole time, but I took pictures and all went fine. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out my day one video.